Hi everybody, I hope you're having a great day out there today. As you can see in this video, I am working on my Pantovision T2 and I am actually doing a border on my quilt, okay? In the next series of videos, I am going to show you how to do a border with Pantovision T2 on your quilt. So if you don't have those notifications on, turn that notification on so that you will be notified when that first video drops, which should be maybe in 2 weeks once I get it all edited. I am finishing up the quilt today, and I'm going to show you how to put the border on, what you need to measure to get that border on, and the different aspects on how to make sure that your border is straight while you're putting it on, okay? So don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and if you want to share this video, go ahead and share this video. I'd really appreciate it. All right. Well, that's it for now, and I hope you're having a great day, and take care.